find the perimeter. Let's start by studying. Here we have line OT is the same as ST. So OT is the same as SR. Then when we look at OR, is also the same as TS. Now perimeter will be moving from OT to TS to SR to RO. But we need to know OT and OR. We already know OT and OR. It is 28 centimeters. What about OR? We have to find OR. Looking at this from the middle here, when we extend it here up to where this one meets this, a half of this, a half of OT, it is 14 centimeters. That a half is also the same as this one, because this one forms a quadrant and this one becomes the radius. Now, to get the radius, we are going to say 28 centimeters divided by 2, by 2, 1, by 2, 14. So our radius will be 14 centimeters. Looking at this, this is just a half of a circle. So we can find the arc. We can find the arc. We are naming it OR. The arc OR, by applying the method of finding the arc, which is a half of the circle times 2 pi r. We know our r is already 14 centimeters. So we can say a half times 2 times 22 out of 7 times 14 centimeters. Now, we can reduce by 2, 1, by 2, 1, by 7, 1, by 7, 2. So we shall remain with the 22 times 2 centimeters, which is 44 centimeters. Now, knowing that, we can now go ahead and get the perimeter. We can look for the perimeter. Now, our perimeter will be OR plus RS plus ST plus TO, whereby our OR, we have got it is 44 centimeters. RS is the same as OT, which is 28 centimeters, plus ST, which is also the same as OR, so that is 44 centimeters, plus TO, which is 28 centimeters. Now, when we add 44 centimeters plus 28, what do we get? Here is 12, 2, regroup 1 is 72 centimeters. So here we get 72, meaning here we also get 72. 72 plus 72 is 144. And that is our perimeter.